Here's a good one for you. This has just happened outside again. That's normal. So, just pulling up stop. Kids in the back, no seatbelt. Driver, no seatbelt. Oh, Mr. Plod. I ain't got a clue there's other kids there. So he just walked up. So he's just clocked her in the back, but ain't doing anything. So kid's still in the back. Okay, the car stopped. So she's trying to shut the boot. Kids in the back, still no seat belts. She still can't shut the boot. So kids are in the back. Again, still no seat belts. He's just jumped in the driver's seat. No seat belt. Yeah.